on my way to the bank because Nigerian banks will keep frustrating me. So I sent money from my OPay to my GT bank, only for me not to receive the money. See the way I'm sweating. So I'm actually heading there to make a complaint, hoping that this thing will be successful and positive. Am I going to give this one? Oh God. So I'm finally back from the market and it was a hell. I actually went to the bank because I don't know what's happening between OPay and GT Bank. I transferred money from my OPay bank to my GT Bank, and that was because I heard that OPay online app is about to close. So when I learned that your app was about to close, I was like, no, I'm not about to lose my money. I don't store my money, or I don't save my money with OPay. I just do like major transfer because it is easier and they don't actually charge. My bank, my GT bank, they charge you a very big amount of money, and then you have to put a token. So if I want to do a transaction that is not going to take time, I'll first of all go to the token section, copy the token and come and paste it, or I have to cram the number, or I have to write out the token number. It's just so much of a stress. So I prefer to do all my transactions with my OPay. But then since I learned that they were about to fold up, I just said it's not about to be me. So I had to transfer the 26,000 naira I had in my OPay to my GT bank, only for the money to hang. So I went to the bank today to lay a complaint. I already called the OPay customer care, and they told me that the money is not in their custody, that it is with my bank. So I had to go there, and these people are busy telling me stories. They actually told me to come back, and I don't know if I'll be able to go back or if I'll just sacrifice that money, but no, let's say I will go back. Anyways, I and Jenny went to get some things in the supermarket. We got this hair straightener that I've been wanting to get for the longest of time. This is the Cloud 9 Plus Super Beauty straightener, and I decided to go with Jenny because she has an idea of these things, and I decided to buy this particular one because this is the one she's using and it is very good. So when you open it, this is how it's looking, and it's just simple. They wanted to give me the one that has pink. I told them I don't want pink, give me black. So it has the, I did not know that I was talking and this thing was not filming. Which kind Wahala be that? So I already showed you guys this one, and the most exciting thing I got is my darling, what's the name, darling Empress collection. This wig, this hair is one of the hairs I really like a lot. This is how it is looking. It is 60 inches long, so it's going to be all the way to my bum, and I got it in the color wine because I wanted something really something that is going to be very sweet. I wasn't really having any plans of making my hair for this Christmas, but when I set my eyes on this, I just knew that this cannot let me go, and Jenny actually persuaded me and I got it. I got 2 of these because the attendant actually told me that 2 is going to go perfectly for my hair, and that is why I got it. So watch out for how my hair and me are going to be looking for this Christmas. It's going to be very sweet. This is how it is. That's the only thing I got. I am going now to help my mom in the kitchen. She wants to make okra soup and fufu, so I'm just going to change my clothes and join her in the kitchen. So see you guys later. Mado ye yine mo enko mfano. Mpongo ama aforo has money now. You will now see, you will now be encouraging young boys. When I got married, I did not have anything. I was staying with my mom. So you don't have to wait till you have money. Bad advice.
Saying everybody like to do like that.
Hey, she makes it. He will use his stupidity as an advice. Go again. So guys, I just finished with the periwinkle now, and my mom is about to start cooking the food. I'm just outside here trying to tidy up the place I used in, like the place I stayed in, cutting the periwinkle. My hand is smelling odd. I am so tired. Since morning, the only meal I can boast of is tea. I and Jenny drank tea and biscuits, which was not quite sufficient. So I'm waiting for grandma to actually finish cooking. She said she wants to cook. Grandma loves to cook. I would have made the meal, but my mom doesn't like anybody to touch. Like, she always like cooking the meal she serves her husband, and I think it's very nice of her. So she's cooking, and the cooking is going to take a longer time because she's actually making videos. So you know what that means. We have to wait for at least 2 hours before eating the meal. But then I'm just here waiting for the food to be done, and we're going to eat. I'm looking flawless.
I keep over my belly. It will be like any roller coaster. Everybody, come on. All right, DJ, let's go. Yes, sir.
Get ready for the mission.
Copy, sir. Hands across the board. Move back when I step on the runway. DJ YK Mule.
Waiting for. What we're gonna do right here is go back, way back, back into time. I love you when you put it, put it, put it, put it, put it. I like it. Can you make it
gentlemen, while you're here, please follow the Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. X page. It is Street Dance Uyo on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Street Dance Uyo. Leave the stage light, please.
Costume fine.
Get it poppin'.
Why you want to follow the theme of this event? Pay to stay body. So the street dance. So you know it's street dance, street like.
South Africa.
Shackle Boy, the dance machine. Ready. Personally, I go deal with you.
Always told me, be careful what you do.
just do. You know that the way my just do they done.
Get it right? Good. Let's dance.
Thank you. Make some noise for dance.
I got you fever. I got you fever. Now listen, go.